i35equipment.com. Today we're in a John Deere 333G Skidsteer, or track compact loader. We're going to be showing you how to alternate between your pattern controls. We do have the machine running. You can see your legend right here. What you're going to be looking for is the one that says pattern select. Up here in the top right, you have ISO, hand, and if equipped from the factory, foot. Most of these were not equipped with foot. That was an extra option, but it will still show that, and it still will have the button there. So currently we are on what we call ISO, and that's going to be one handle moving the tracks and one handle moving the bucket. If you want to go to H, just simply push that button to H, and that's going to be forward and reverse for left track, forward and reverse for right track, and then your in and out functions on both joysticks are going to be your bucket and tip controls. Hope that's beneficial to you. Always use common sense, safety, consult your operator's manual, and check out our website, i35equipment.com, to see our full and up-to-date inventory of heavy machinery. Hope you have a wonderful day.